What if I told you the hardest part of growing a YouTube channel is already solved, and you can literally clone any YouTube channel in just a few clicks, without paying anything? Sounds fake, right? That's exactly what I thought too, until I tested Claude AI myself. And even if you've never heard of Claude before today, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to replicate any channel you want. And trust me, the results are going to blow your mind. So where do you start? You need to find a channel that you want to replicate. There are thousands of faceless channels on YouTube right now making serious money. If you're not sure what niche to go into, I actually put together a whole video covering niches that are wide open right now, low competition, real opportunity, worth watching before you do anything else. Alright, niche picked, now open Claude. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to need what I call a master prompt. I spent a lot of time building this out, and it's what separates okay results from actually useful ones. It's long, it's detailed, that's intentional. Every section serves a purpose. Copy the whole thing without that top heading and paste it directly into Claude's prompt box. Don't touch anything, just run it. Once you do, Claude is going to ask you a few questions. Which channel do you want to replicate? What's the channel name and link? Who's the target audience? In this video, I will recreate the Fern channel, which achieved over 4.9 million subscribers with just 122 videos. To start, I will take the link of the channel and put it into Claude AI. Claude then conducts an in-depth analysis of the channel. I'm not kidding when I say in-depth. From your target market, type of content, storyboarding format, tone, pacing, thumbnail psychology, and why people just keep on watching. Once you're done, Claude asks you to send screenshots of your channel homepage and channel description. Based on those information you provided, it creates a brand new list of channel names, writes a channel description for you, and even creates prompts for your logo and banner designs. Now, here's something most people skip, and it's exactly why their results come out generic. You need to give Claude 3 specific scripts from your target channel, not just any videos. These specific ones. Number 1, their most popular video, the one with the most views. Number 2, their most recent video, the latest upload. Number 3, video that recently went viral. If you don't know how to get the script from a video, it's simple. Just copy the link of a popular video, go to Google, search YouTube transcript, and paste the video link there. Then copy the full transcript and paste each one by one, into Claude. Claude will analyze the entire script structure and then ask whether you want it to generate topic ideas for you or create scripts from your own ideas. Since I don't have a topic in mind, I'm going to choose the first topic idea it suggests. Now, it's time for the part everyone actually came here for, writing the full video script. Just type the number of the topic you want and run it. Claude will generate a complete long-form script that matches the average video length of your competitors. Content, something it already analyzed and figured out on its own. The script it produces is genuinely impressive. It reads like something a human wrote, not something a chatbot spit out. No stiff language, no filler, just clean, engaging content. If you want anything adjusted, just ask Claude directly in the chat. With the script done, it's time to turn it into audio. Head over to Google AI Studio. This is where most people mess up, and it comes down to one setting. In the model dropdown, make sure you select Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. Don't use the default model. Once that's selected, paste your script into the text box. Pick a voice you like and hit generate. While the audio generates, let's move on. After generating the script, The next step is creating the visuals. For that, you need to upload 3 screenshots from the video, but make sure you do not upload the thumbnail. Now simply type, yes, and Claude will generate detailed image prompts in the exact style required for the video. In this video, I've also shown the exact method I use to generate both the images and the videos. So after watching this, click on that video to learn the complete process step by step. Next, if you want to generate videos from the prompts, simply type yes. If you only want to use images, type no. For video generation, you can use Flow AI. Otherwise, you can watch my other video where I showed 5 free AI video generators you can use to create videos at no cost. After that comes the packaging stage of the video. You need to upload 2 to 3 thumbnail images from the channel you're analyzing. Then Claude will study the thumbnail style and generate high-quality thumbnail image prompts for you. You can also use Google Gemini Nano Banana to create the thumbnails. In the final step, Claude will ask whether you want it to generate the title, description, tags, and other SEO-related content for your video. Copy it all, plug it in when you upload, and you're done. And in final, it will ask you whether you have to create all this in single document. That's the whole thing. Start to finish research, script, voiceover, visuals, thumbnail, SEO, all of it built around Claude. Now, you've got the system. What you do with it is up to you. Like and comment of which channel you are making clone. Hype the video and do subscribe for more. See you in next video.